How to trim clips and scenes. Make video clips just right for your project by trimming scene length or removing unwanted content from within scenes. Let's start with how to trim the length of a scene within your video. With your project in the editor, select your video on the canvas. Hover over the scene you want to edit to see the trim handles appear, and drag either handle to where you want the clip to start or stop. You can also remove content from the middle of a video clip, such as an unwanted pause. Here's how. First, move the cursor to the beginning of the content you don't want. Right-click and select Split. Do the same at the end of the unwanted content to fully isolate it from the scene. Then, right-click the separated scene and select Delete. And that's it! Now you know how to trim the length of a scene and remove content from your video. Adobe Express. Keep creating!